If you're looking to automate your crypto trading and potentially make consistent profits without constantly monitoring the market, a grid trading bot might be the solution. In this video, I'll break down what a grid trading bot is, how it works, what you should know before using it, the potential risks and rewards, and how you can set it up to start trading automatically. First, let's understand how a grid bot works. It operates within a set trading range defined by upper and lower bounds. The bot buys when prices drop and sells when they rise, but only within that range. If the range is too wide, your capital may not be used efficiently. Setting the right range is key to making the bot work efficiently. Now let's dive into how to set up your bot and get started with your strategy. Let's get into it. Now, imagine the bot places buy orders at different levels, say $97, $99, $98, and so on. When the price hits, let's say $80, it buys. If the price goes up to $99, it sells. Basically, the bot is like your over-caffeinated friend who can't stop buying and selling everything in sight. Would you trust this friend to manage your portfolio? Let me know in the comments below. The bot is constantly adjusting its orders based on price movements. If the price falls outside the range you set, it just stops trading. But you're still holding that crypto, so keep in mind you could be stuck with it if the price doesn't bounce back. You can change the bot's parameters anytime. In short, it's always buying low, selling high, and hoping the price keeps dancing within that range. Simple, right? And remember, while the bot works non-stop, you need to choose an asset you are okay holding long-term because you might end up stuck with some coins if things go sideways. But if the bot works its magic, it's like having a little robot assistant making small profits on your behalf. Just don't expect it to make you rich overnight. Rather than trying to predict the perfect entry point, DCA spreads the investment risk out over time, allowing the bot to automatically adjust its buying and selling strategy. For example, let's say you decide to invest $100 in Bitcoin every week, regardless of whether its price is up or down. This approach helps you avoid the emotional ups and downs of the market, and over time, you may find that you acquired more Bitcoin when prices were low and less when they were high. The grid bot can work in the background, executing trades within the parameters you have set and potentially boosting your profits while you're using the DCA strategy. Let's dive into setting it up and seeing how it works in action. To set up a grid trading bot in Bybit, start by logging into your Bybit account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, go to the main menu and click on the Trade tab. From there, select Trading Bot to access the bot management section. In the Trading Bot section, you'll find an option to create your first grid bot. Click on this to begin setting up your bot. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the trading pair for your grid bot. For example, you may want to select Bitcoin USDT if you're looking to trading Bitcoin against Tether. It's important to choose an asset that you're comfortable holding in the long term since the bot will have exposure to this asset. Next, you'll need to define the bot's trading parameters. This includes setting a price range within which the bot will operate. You can manually input this range or use the autofill option, which suggests optimal parameters based on market data. Aligned with the price range, you'll also need to decide on the number of grids you want. The more grids you set, the smaller the profit per grid, so find a balance that suits your trading strategy. Once you've set the price range and the number of grids, you will allocate the amount of capital you want to assign to the bot. This capital will be used to execute trades within specified range, with the bot automatically buying and selling based on market movements. After you have configured everything, click Create Now to start the bot. The bot will begin placing orders according to the parameters you have set. To track the performance of your grid bot, you can visit the Active Bot section. Here you'll see details on the bot's performance, including profits and losses. If necessary, you can also adjust the parameters based on market changes. If this sounds easy enough, hit that like button and let me know if you're ready to set up your own bot or if you're just here for the entertainment. Remember, grid bots work best when you're comfortable holding the asset long term. It's important to monitor the bot's performance and adjust its settings as needed if the market moves beyond your chosen range. That's it. You have successfully set up your grid trading bot on Bybit, and now it's time to sit back and let it do the work. We hope this guide was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy investing and see you next time. Bye.